And we are back with part 3. You can see that my battery is running very low. I am notorious for forgetting to charge my phone. So let's hope that my battery gets us through this video segment. So we've downloaded the Give Plus mobile app, and I've shown you how to create an account. And if you missed that, you can go back and watch the first 2 videos. So for now, I'm going to open up the Give Plus mobile app. And you can see that we have the option to sign in. We've already created our account, so we can do that. Create account, that's where you would go if you've never done this before, or Give Now. And this is a really quick option that I like to use sometimes when I'm sitting in the pew on Sunday because it doesn't require you to sign in. So for now, I'm going to select Give Now. And we can add with the plus sign. And as I showed you before, we'll select General Church Fund. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to select one time for the frequency, but if you want to give something in place of your normal offering in the plate, you can set it up for weekly or monthly. It does require you to sign in if you're going to set up a recurring donation, so keep that in mind. For now, I'm going to select an other amount, which I'll just use $5 for the purpose of this, and we'll press Add. And you can see here, again, it gives you the opportunity to confirm the details. We have the correct name of the church, First Congregational Church. It's the General Church Fund that I selected. It's $5 for the amount, and it shows that it's a one-time donation, so it will not charge me again if I don't want it to. And we'll go ahead and press Next. I'm going to select credit or debit card. What we do here is you can enter your card number details. Some people prefer to use a credit card over a debit card because a credit card inherently has a little bit more fraud protection. So if for some reason, even though Vanco is a well-established banking company that we've been using for years, but if for some reason your internet was compromised or someone were to get a hold of this number, a credit card offers a little bit more protection than a debit card. So that's just a suggestion, but I've been using this for months with no issues. So you can type in your card number manually. So for example, I'm just typing in the number 4 and the CVV number, which is that 3-digit security number on the back of your card, the expiration month and year, and then it does ask you to put in your billing address. Now, if you were to sign into your account, you can save all of that information to save you time. The other neat thing that this allows you to do is there's a camera icon up in the top right-hand corner. If you press that and you're signed in, you can enable your camera and you can actually just take a picture of your credit card rather than typing in the numbers. So for those of you who are phone savvy and would like to save yourself a few minutes, you can do that. What I'm going to do is go ahead and enter my card information here. And I'm going to do that off camera. Not that I don't trust you folks, but I don't want to have it out there on YouTube. So I will enter my card information and then I will be back to show you the rest of the process.